This is awful.
Huh?
It's constant rain. It's just not fun anymore. Not fun.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Wet.
Yeah, I know. These are cool.
What, the flowers?
Yeah.
Anything yet? I don't know what's this.
Get under here.
Cool. See anything? Catches your eye? Thank you. I thought there was only one up here. Well, there's one we pulled in, but we didn't go to it yet.
They may not be ready.
Who?
Them.
I don't know. How are you?
Drier than you.
I hate how it keeps raining every Saturday.
I know. I said it should never rain on Saturdays. People yard sale. People have weddings.
I know it's.
Terrible.
I was supposed to be in Ohio this morning, so but I was like, I am not driving out there if it's gonna be
Yeah.
like this all day.
It stinks when
It does.
being a bride and groom and waking up.
I know. At least this afternoon is supposed to.
It is
Just supposed to be a little bit
Just
drier.
Like yesterday.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yesterday it cleared up and got nice. I think tomorrow's gonna be the nice day.
Oh, yeah, look. These are from me first. And they're like reusable
No, we're good.
for mom.
Nope.
You girls
about
cold in
this?
your shorts?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what they were
This one.
thinking.
Yeah.
Ah, we're good.
And then you get in the car and you warm up, huh?
Yeah. Well, we just came from like over there.
Oh, Jeff's, yeah.
I didn't realize there was more than one house in over here.
Yeah, I think there's.
I think there's one behind you,
There
then
is.
there's
Autumn,
one.
and then one down here if they're doing it.
Okay.
Cul-de-sac, I'm not sure.
About to go down there and check too.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah. That's cool. Thank you
All right, have a good one.
too.
Try to stay dry.
Yeah, we will.